Hi there, it's Grant here. In today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal 3 of my favorite RWA tokens, or real world asset crypto tokens I think are going to perform really well in the crypto bull run. And I'm also going to have a quick look at the crypto market because it is a sea of red at the moment. Crypto is falling quite hard, but do not be afraid, because that means there are plenty of bargains for savvy crypto investors. Before I get on with the video, I've actually got a weekly crypto newsletter completely free, and a crypto bull run report that brings you up to speed with everything about the crypto bull run. If you want to get it completely free, just come here, put your email in there, and I'll send you the report completely free, and you'll be subscribed to my weekly crypto insider newsletter, where I bring you completely up to date with the entire crypto market in 5 minutes or less. So if you want to register for free, I'll link to that down in the comments and description below. Also, the last thing, I've actually got something called the Crypto Insider Pro, which is where I do in-depth crypto coin reviews. I've got my 10x crypto bull run portfolio, do an in-depth weekly crypto investor report on the crypto market. So if you want to join that, just come to this page. I'll link down below in the description, and yeah, check it out. And if you want to join, you can try. So there we go. Let's get on with the video. So yeah, the crypto market is falling pretty aggressively at the moment. As you can see, it is a complete sea of red. Crypto is being hit pretty hard. So yeah, a lot of people are sort of probably panicking and selling their bags, which is a really bad idea, because seeing the crypto market is falling hard, I think we're going to see a very strong bounce. For the savvy crypto investor, they should be licking their chops right now, because there's so many bargains out there. This is probably going to be the absolute last chance to buy high quality crypto coins or altcoins at bargain prices before Bitcoin, Ethereum and the altcoin market goes absolutely parabolic in the months ahead. So we might only have a short window of time to pick up final bargains before everything goes parabolic. The other thing I want to bring to your attention as well, and this is something very, very important, with geopolitical sort of tensions heightened. You know, the West has said Ukraine can strike Russia with long-range weapons, and with Russia, I don't think Russia's messing around anymore. We, as crypto investors, we need to take this into account. I don't think this bull market is very different to bull markets gone by, because geopolitical tensions are very high. We've got a massive US election this year, and that could have huge implications for crypto. Biden's very anti-crypto. Trump's very pro-crypto. There's all sorts of shenanigans going on. I think there's going to be lots of weird things happening this year for reasons I'm not going to go into. So as crypto investors, this is something we really need to pay attention to, because any major escalation in the war could spook investors and everyone pulls their money. So I think, as you know, crypto's, a highly volatile asset anyway, but obviously with geopolitical tensions very high, and there could be an escalation at pretty much any moment. We need to bear this in mind, I think, as we go through this year. So yeah, it's not a normal bull run. It's accelerated. I just think with everything happening in the world, it's just going to make crypto that bit more volatile. So I just want to bring that to your attention, and you need to consider that when you invest in crypto. But having said that, if all goes to plan and we have a parabolic bull run, and if it goes parabolic, this is probably going to be the biggest bull run ever, because we've got the Bitcoin ETF, we've got the Ethereum ETF, and I think there's other ETFs to come. So billions of dollars is going to be flowing into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that's going to trickle down into the altcoins. So when the altcoins finally do go off, things are going to go crazy. And if you don't invest, you're going to be kicking yourself. But like I say, there's always that thing where if a major war breaks out in Europe and maybe further afield, that can have major implications on the crypto markets. We need to bear that in mind. So at the moment, crypto's a sea of red, but that brings huge opportunities for the savvy investor. So let's get into the RWA coin. So RWA is real world asset tokenization. It's a fairly new niche, but it is gaining popularity because BlackRock is becoming more and more involved in this niche. So yeah, this is going to be one of those niches it's going to be one of the biggest niches. I mean, I heard a stat saying by 2030 this niche is going to be worth 15 trillion potentially. And what it all really boils down to is just the tokenization of real world assets such as property, finance vehicles, and other assets like NFTs. Any real world asset you could potentially tokenize and allow people to invest in it. You could tokenize your own house. You could tokenize your car if you want. And this is what real world asset RWA businesses and tokens are set to do. The tokens of these different businesses are just the utility tokens that allow the network to run and for people to hold investments in the assets through tokenization. So it's going to be a niche that I think is going to be very strong. I think it's going to be one of the main narratives actually of this crypto bull run. AI is going to be the big winner because AI is just red hot at the moment. But do not overlook the RWA niche because I think it's going to be hot. So let me just run you through three of my favorite coins. The first one is Ondo. Ondo is the daddy of the RWA niche. I mean, it's BlackRock's involved with this. It's basically a finance token. It's the daddy of the RWA niche. Amazing token. Market cap is currently at 1.7 billion. Price is at 122. Let's look at the 7-day chart. So at the moment, Ondo is slid nearly 13% in the past 7 days. So this coin is on a slide, but it presents investors an opportunity because when I think the RWA niche catches fire, which I think it could happen in the next month to 2 months, then it's going to be too late to buy these kinds of bargains. So probably now is the last time to really pick up these coins at good prices. Let's look at the stats. So market cap 1.7 billion, Ondo sitting at 122. What's the peak market cap of this coin? I think this coin could reach potentially 20 billion. So I think this coin could at least do 10x. It could do more. I mean, it's very hard to say. I mean, this is probably a solid 10x coin. Could be a lot more. But I would say Ondo's a good 10x coin. But I think it's a strong, if you've not invested in the RWA niche, I think it's a solid pick because it's the daddy. Everyone knows it. It's a real business, makes money, huge backing. So I hold on though. I think it's a solid coin. It's going to do very, very well. So let's look down. Sorry, my PC's a bit slow. So the next one is Goldfinch. This is another coin I personally hold and I really, really like. Again, Goldfinch is on the slide like most cryptos at the moment. So let's look at the 7-day chart. So it's sliding. So potentially good time to buy. Market cap 224 million. So really attractive market cap. It's fallen 9.4% in the past 7 days. Goldfinch, like Ondo, is available on most of the large crypto exchanges, so it's easily, you can buy it easily. And again, Goldfinch is another finance-based RWA token. I think it's a bit of a sleeper. I mean, this coin is going to do really, really well in the crypto bull run. And I think, the current price 297, and I really think that, this coin could, well, if it 10x's, it's going to get to 2.2 billion. It's not out of the realms of possibility this could get to 10 billion market cap. That's roughly, a 50x. And if it does really well, I don't think this is going to happen. It could maybe even do 100x if it reaches 20 billion, but obviously that's the extreme end of the scale. I mean, I think this is definitely going to go to somewhere between 5 to 10 billion if the investors really get behind it. But this is a very strong RWA project. I really like it. I hold it. And I think once the crypto altcoins get going, this coin is going to do very, very well. Now, the last one I'm going to show you, if my laptop behaves, is a bit further down. 1 second. Yeah, is props. This has been hyped up massively in the past couple of months. So basically, this token is all about property. It's basically tokenizing property, so it allows ordinary people to invest in property without flashing out loads of money to buy property themselves. Very innovative project, catching a lot of attention on CryptoX, which is basically the home of crypto social media. Very, very promising token. Very attractive market cap, 38 million. So it's got plenty of room to grow should it catch investors' attention. Very, very, very strong project that has huge potential should investors buy into it. 38 million. So this is a potential 100x coin because it's 38, roughly, call it 40 million at the moment. This coin could quite easily go to $4 billion at its bull run peak, which is 100x. So, that's basically going to, if this coin reaches $11, because it's, 0.1 cent or 10 cents at the moment, if it goes to $11, that's 100x. I mean, this is a genuine 100x potential coin. Now, whether it does it, I do not know. But if it catches the attention of investors, especially world investors, then, I think 100x is on the card. And again, this is one of those coins that's being highly touted along with Rio. Very, very promising project. And it's on a slide at the moment. It's down 9.8% in the past 7 days. So, guys, there we go. Those are 3 of my favorite RWA tokens. I must stress, nothing in this video should be taken as financial or investment advice. If you invest, just know that all of these tokens are highly volatile, extremely risky. You could quite easily lose all of your money as you are to make a lot of money. And also, if you buy any of these tokens, make sure you have your buy and sell strategy locked in because, there's no point in having a 100x coin if you don't know how to exit that coin. So you can actually take profit. So just bear that in mind. So that is what I've got for you. Those are my 3 favorite RWA coins. Just going to finish by saying, if you want to join my Crypto Insider newsletter and get my bull run report, just come here. I'll link to this page in the comment description below. Enter your email and I'll send it to you for free. If you want to check out my Crypto Insider Pro service where I do crypto coin reviews, check out my bull run portfolio and all that good stuff, I'll link to that in the comments below. So that is what I've got for you. Thanks for joining me and I'll speak to you soon.